Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel On The Mauve. My name is Faye Marie. In this tutorial, I'm creating a fun silver cut crease look and nude lip. If you want to learn how to create this at home, keep on watching. So I've gone ahead and already filled in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. And now I'm going to move on to priming my lids. First, I'm going to go in all over the lid using the Kat Von D eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to put concealer on top of that primer, so today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light medium. Lastly, for the priming phase, I'm going to go in with loose translucent setting powder, and today I'm going to be going in with the Laura Mercier one. So now that the lids are primed and ready to go, we're going to start going in with the first shade, and the palette that we're going to be using today is the Urban Decay Smokey palette, and from here we're going to take the shade Combust, which is a matte neutral shade. And I have a hooded lid, so I tend to go a little bit higher, so definitely take your eye shape into consideration when applying, but this is a more neutral shade, so you can really bring it as high as you want to. Once you've already set the shape with a lighter shade, you can go in with a darker shade in a smaller blending brush. For the darker shade, I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to take the shade Whiskey, which is a matte brown color. And when I'm picking up the color, I'm only picking up a tiny bit on the top of the bristles because I don't want it to be a very harsh smoke. I want it to be very light. And then as you're building your way outward, kind of flick it outward. Next, I'm going to be taking concealer, and I'm going to shape the part of my eyelid where I want the shimmer to be. Today I'm going to be taking a Morphe concealer. For the lid shade, I'm going to be taking the shade High. And I'm going to pat this generously all over where I just applied the concealer. Now I'm going to go in and create my wing using the NYX Matte Eyeliner. I'm going to apply a couple coats of mascara before I apply my lashes, and I'm going to be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. For lashes today, I used Stilazzi Lashes from the Chi Chi collection, and this style is ready to play. Moving on to the face, I'm going to start off with concealer, and I'm going to use that same concealer we used on the eyes, the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. And after we blend that out with a beauty blender, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and today I'm going to be using the YSL All Hours Matte Stick Foundation. And I'm just going to go in with a dense brush and just evenly distribute the product before I go in with another beauty blender. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder again, I'm going to apply this under my eyes and let it bake as I apply eyeshadow to my lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the same shade Whiskey that we applied on the crease earlier. For powder foundation today, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Loose Defining Powder. I'm going to go in and contour using the NYX Matte Bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. For blush, I'm going to be using MAC's Sunbasque. Now we're going to go in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy, which is my go-to nude lipstick. Finally, to give the lips a little bit of life, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.